In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send pictures on Yahoo Mail. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Yahoo homepage. On the top right, click Sign In. Type in your email address and your password, then continue. If Yahoo asks for additional verification, just follow the on-screen steps until you're signed in. Once you're in, look to the upper right and click Mail to open your inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, click the Compose button to start a new message. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to receive the photos. Double check for typos here so your message reaches the right inbox. Add a clear subject line that lets the recipient know what the pictures are about, like vacation photos or project images. You can also write a brief note in the message body to provide context, such as what the images show or why you're sending them. Now it's time to attach your pictures. Look near the Send button for the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Attach Files from Computer. This opens your file browser. Navigate to the folder where your images are stored, select the photo you want to send, and click Add. If you have multiple pictures, you can repeat this process to attach more. You'll see each file appear below the subject line as it uploads. Wait for the upload to finish before sending. A thumbnail or a progress indicator will confirm when each image is ready. A quick tip on file size. Large images can take longer to upload and may approach email attachment limits. If something seems slow or fails to attach, try picking a slightly smaller version of the photo or a compressed copy. Common formats like JPG and PNG work best. Before sending, give everything a quick review. Make sure the recipient's address is correct, the subject is clear, and your images are listed and fully uploaded. If you attach the wrong picture by mistake, remove it using the small Remove option next to the file. Then attach the correct one. When everything looks good, click Send. Yahoo Mail will confirm that your message was sent, and you can find a copy in your Sent folder for reference. If your recipient doesn't see the email right away, remind them to check their spam or junk folder, especially if it's the first time you're emailing them. And that's it. You've successfully sent pictures on Yahoo Mail from signing in, composing your message, attaching the images, and sending them with confidence.